Most people suck at making strategic decisions, but what if you could conquer complexity like a pro? Strategic thinkers, welcome to a journey of mastering decision-making with the robust quality management tool, supercharged by the brilliance of ChatGPT. Let's dive in and uncover how this powerful duo can transform challenges into triumphs. Businesses face an array of challenges or opportunities daily. Without the proper foundation, lack of information, misguided assumptions, or hasty decisions can turn aspirations into expensive pitfalls. This is where a systematic approach becomes your ally. With our quality management tool, we'll construct a structured pathway to navigate complexities smoothly, ensuring no stone is left unturned. Imagine meeting your objectives by setting clear quality goals backed by informed decisions. With the quality management tool, you'll craft quantifiable objectives, blending industry benchmarks like ISO 9001, Lean Six Sigma, and real-time feedback loops. Incorporating ChatGPT into this fusion, your strategic plan bursts with actionable insights, meticulously curated through dynamic prompts and live data analysis. Let's break it down. Step 1 is to establish precise quality objectives, whether enhancing financial stability, boosting customer satisfaction, or maximizing operational efficiency. Step 2, craft an optimal quality management system, leveraging structured methodologies like Lean Six Sigma. As you journey through this, ChatGPT acts as your guide, structuring insights and providing a logical pathway through objectives, systems design, and evaluation metrics. Each strategic decision is like an evolving blueprint, customized to address your specific needs and insights on the fly. Next, integrate robust KPIs to measure the pulse of your operation, from customer satisfaction scores to employee productivity indices. Meanwhile, ChatGPT helps track these metrics, evaluating real-time feedback and highlighting areas ripe for enhancement. But it doesn't stop there. Our tool revolutionizes customer engagement with structured surveys, AI-powered sentiment analysis, and unwavering feedback loops, each step refining your service quality and cementing customer loyalty. Don't forget the premortem analysis, which serves as your strategic crystal ball. It pinpoints potential snags before they occur, allowing you to implement proactive updates with AI-driven solutions, ensuring your quality management system stays nimble, resilient, and aligned with your evolving goals. The conclusion? Power-packed decision-making that drives efficiency and sustained success. Quality management with ChatGPT isn't just a tool, it's a transformative strategy that grants you the agility to adapt, refine, and excel. So, strategic thinkers, are you ready to revolutionize your approach to strategic challenges? Like this video, subscribe, and join our newsletter. Don't forget to visit my Linktree for an array of resources and grab a copy of AI-powered Strategic Thinker, $3 for deeper insights. Let's adapt these strategies to your unique challenges, ensuring you're not just keeping up, but leading the charge.